Hello everyone. So today we're going to present to you the demo of our project. So specifically, we're going to demonstrate the website. Unlike our desktop application, our website has two views, either the student view or the professor view. So the user can either log in as a student or as a professor. First, I'm gonna try logging in as a student. So when I click on it, it takes me to this page, and I can always switch to logging in as a professor if I just made a mistake. So let me try logging in as 12. Let me try to enter this password. So it just takes me to this page, which means that the password that I entered is wrong. And I can just try again. And there I go. The login was successful. So in the student portal, I can either access my profile, my schedule, my classes, or my fee statements. In my profile, I just have basic information about me, and I can also change the password. So in this case, to change the password, I have to enter a new password and to confirm the new password. So unless the two passwords in the two fields are matching, this is not going to turn green. So it turns green when they are matching. Then I just submit the changes and it tells me that the password was updated successfully. Then I can go to my schedule, and this basically just shows me all the courses that I am currently enrolled in this semester. So it shows me the section, the meeting days, the starting time, the ending time, the professor name, and it shows me my overall final grade. So in this case, I only have 2 dashes, which means that I don't have an overall grade yet because I don't have any grade for this course. And this 85 is calculated automatically, and it's just the combination of all the assignments in this particular course. I can then go to my classes, and in here I can check each class individually for any assignments that I have in there, and I can access each assignment individually. So let's check the German 1 section. I can see that I have an assignment here, and then I can just submit the answer. So this is a sample submission for the demo. And I can click submit. So when I click submit, it tells me that I have submitted an answer to this assignment. So if I go back and try to submit again, it's not gonna allow me to do that because my answer is already submitted and it's already entered to the database. I can go and check the second case, and in this case, my assignment has already been submitted, graded, and I have a feedback. So I have 2 other additional sections, which are the grade and the feedback, entered by the professor, and they are displayed to me. Then I can also check my fee statements. And the fee statements, I can see them depending on what course the fee statement is generated for. So for instance, for German 1, I can see the module name, the trimester, the year, the date of the fee statement, and the amount due. I can also see it for English 1, and it's going to be the same date and amount due and the trimester since in spring 2021, since it's the course that I'm currently taking. And I can see the module name as well. So this is pretty much it for the student portal. Now I'm just going to log out and show you the professor's portal. So I can log in as a professor, and in this case, it's 15, and this is the new password that I have entered when never mind, I haven't logged in yet. Okay, so this is the incorrect credential, so let me just go and fetch the password from the database. Okay. Let me try again. I think it's this one. Okay. Okay, now the login is successful. And there are 3 sections in the professor's portal. So I can either see my profile, my schedule, or my courses. So if I go to my profile, I can see my basic information, just like the student's case. But in this case, I have 2 dashes in the phone number, which means that there is no phone number that is inserted for this professor, meaning that the phone number's value is a null in the database. I can also change the password. Just like the previous case, it checks if they're matching. And then I can go ahead and submit my changes. So I think the Tomcat server is slowing down a bit, and I have to restart it again. Okay, so now the server has restarted. I can log in with the password that I fetched earlier. Now I'm in the professor's portal. Let's go back to what I was doing before. I can just change the password. So let's enter a new password. And when I click submit changes, voila, it's the same. I can also check my schedule, which basically just tells me the courses that I'm teaching this semester, what sections I'm particularly teaching, what are the meeting days, the starting times, and the ending times. So for the following section of the website, which is the courses section, I'm going to give control to my teammate who's going to take it from here.
So for the my courses part, I can see all the courses I'm teaching currently this semester, and let's check for example English 2, and I can see the list of students and the list of assignments. Let's see the list of students first. So for this class, no students are currently enrolled. Let's go back. So if I see here the assignments, I can check the assignment. I can modify it. Let's change, for example, its deadline to midnight, and let's change the day as well. So I can modify it here. It shows here modified successfully. So if I go back, I will see that the deadline is changed. I can also delete the assignments. And as you can see, there are not any assignments yet for this course because I deleted all the assignments. I can add a new assignment, for example. Let's write a paper. Let's make it weight 15. But let's try to submit first. It will show me that I cannot submit because this field is required. So I will fill all the fields, the required one. Okay. I will choose the deadline and the deadline time. So here, if I go back to this course, I will see the paper that I have just added. Let's pick another course. For example, English 3. So here, I have students and I have average of the class because I'm grading only one student, so it's the grade of Iman. I will go back to this course. And the Tomcat is slowing down again. I will just run it from the beginning. So I will log in again. So I need to enter the new password.
The new one. So
okay, so the new password works. Let's go back to assignment or class English 3. So here I can see the assignment 2, where I can display all the students, or I can choose, for example, the students whose grades are below average or the ones with grades above average. But before that, let me grade another student. Let's pick this one. I can give him a grade. Let's see, 90. Let's write a feedback. Good job. So it's modified successfully. I will go back to the course. So as you can see here, even though I gave him 90 for this assignment, and because the deadline was on April, we have implemented a trigger that decreases the grade by 5 points each day, and unfortunately it was too late and he got a 0. But I can show here the students who got grades above average, which are for this case these ones. And the students who got grades below average, and I have only this one. So the class average for this assignment is 61.125. I can go back and see another course. Let's say German one. And here I will see the assignment my teammate Iman has just submitted in a while. So she submitted a submission for Kamal. Let's see. I can grade it again. And the trigger again decreased the grade because of the late submission. So here the grade is updated for student Kamal. The average of the class is changed as well, and it's 10. That's it for our website. Thank you for watching.